Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to unbox this Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Insta360 sent me this camera free of charge to use, and they're not paying me for these videos, but they want me to just give it a review. So what's in the box? We got the Ace Pro 2, we got 2 batteries, a standard mount, a mic cap, a USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. We're going to take the wrapping off so we can read some of the details on the box. So it has a 1/1.3 inch 8K sensor and Leica Summerit lens, dual AI chip for superior image quality, leading low light performance, active HDR video at 4K 60 frames per second, and 157 degree wide angle capture. Has a wind guard for clearer audio, 2.5 inch flip touchscreen, FlowState stabilization and 360 degree horizon lock, and it says rugged and waterproof, 239 feet or 12 meters. AI editing. So let's open it up. Insta360 has sent me a few cameras now, and I love their packaging. It's definitely in there, nice and solid. I'm trying not to destroy the box. Okay. So here we have the USB-C cable. We have a lens cap. Lens guard, I guess you could say. Like that. We have some stickers, waterproofing, what to know, safety guidelines, information on charging specifications, warranty card. We have, before using the camera in water, remove the wind guard or replace it with the mic cap. We have a quick start guide we'll go over, maybe. Silica packet, we'll toss, and the USB-C cable. This is the mic cap right here. This is their mount. It's pretty solid. Plastic, maybe? Yeah, some sort of plastic. Here's an extra battery. Just trying to see. The battery is 1800 milliamp hours. And here's the camera. Flip out touchscreen. I guess that's so when you're recording you can see yourself. There's a screen here. card comes off. I guess maybe they come with two. We'll keep this on. There you go. Alright. It's pretty solid. It says remove the sticker before powering on the camera. Avoid direct skin contact with the heat dissipation area after prolonged camera use. Okay. So here's where this mount goes. There's a line icon with the lens direction. So there's a Insta360 logo right here, and you want it facing forward. It's pretty cool. Goes on and off easily. Open this up and there's the battery slot right here. Put the battery back in there, close it. It's got some good rubber material there. On this side is the USB-C connection and the memory card slot right there. So there we have it. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2. We will be testing this out in some videos coming up. And we'll let you know how it does. Thanks for watching.